What is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Let's do a camera adjustment. All right, we're good. We got a good camera adjustment there. You guys, we had a tear in the matrix. We had a glitch in the matrix. What is going on? Does everything sound okay? I feel like my mic is clipping. I feel like my volume is super high. So hold on just a second. Let me check it. Let me see. How's that? Is that better? Is that good? Just want to make sure our volume isn't too loud because it looks like we're clipping here, but I think let me put it down just a little bit more. All right, that should be perfect. That should be perfect. Okay. Welcome to the channel, guys. So if you are back for the second time of the day, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, this is Dano Crypto. So on this channel, we show you guys how to make simple and effective, easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. And so if you've been watching the channel for the past couple of weeks, then you know we have been streaming 2 times a day. We've been streaming at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we've been streaming at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. We've been talking about Bitcoin. We've been giving you the chart analysis and our predictions of where we think the market is going to go, and also what chains, what coins in the altcoin sector to watch in terms of memes, also layer 1s and 2s, and where kind of the money is flowing right now. And so we're going to get into all that. But first, guys, please make sure you do hit the like button. And we are going to get this show on the road. All right, guys. So what is going on? I hope everyone is feeling well. Hope everyone is feeling good. And make sure you do all of the housekeeping. You guys go and use all the links in the description. Use the Discord link. Make sure you check out all of the partners of the channel, BITFLEX, and all of the other links in the description for the exchanges that are either KYC or no KYC. So you have multiple options to be able to get what you need done in crypto. So what we are going to do is also mention that the gas prices right now are below $5 on Ethereum. And so Bitcoin right now is sitting at... Let's see. Let's refresh our tickers here. We have Bitcoin sitting at $65,333, Dogecoin at 14 cents, Tether at exactly $1, Ethereum at $2,945, and Chainlink at $15. So we have some bullish news on Chainlink. So Chainlink actually did a successful test with their technology for incorporating the banks like JP Morgan, and we have to go into the link. We gotta make sure we say all this right. But essentially, the banks are going to be using Chainlink to be bringing on-chain funds to the blockchain. So we'll see how that goes. But either way, I think it's bullish for Chainlink. And so, we got Headband on X. What's going on? Normally on Twitch, but he's sending the love from x.com. Let's see how many people we have watching across all platforms. All right, we got 7 people watching on x.com. We got 4 people on YouTube, 0 on Facebook. No one watches live streams on Facebook, but we still try and see if anyone will actually tune in. All right, let's see how we sound right now. Whoa, okay, hold on a second. Let's fix this. All right, that might sound better. How does this sound? Guys? Does that sound better? That should sound a lot better. All right. It's clipping. I don't know why it's clipping. I want to make sure, like, if we're talking right in the mic, we want to make sure we're not clipping. All right. I think we're good now. Okay, guys. So let's get into what memes and altcoins are doing good right now. So we're going to go into... Let's go into the 200 5-minute. People, MEW, Kuji, AGI, Band, EHEX, let's see. We're looking at the hourly. Let's go on just the top 100. All right, real quick, let's do this. Let's go to the memes because we're in a meme takeover right now. So let's see what's doing the best in terms of volume. It is Pepe, Dogecoin, and Book of Meme, Shiba Inu, Floki, and we got GME, Meme Coin, Slurf, Myro, Degen, Brett, Ponky. Okay, this is great. So these are all coins that we have been talking about. We've mentioned them a few times. Look, Bone. We're gonna go into all of these. We're also gonna talk about the trades that we're in right now. We're gonna do some Bitcoin analysis, and we are going to pull up Morales Money, and then we're gonna do a Q&A, and then we're gonna end the show. It's gonna be a short one. We're not gonna go for an hour. We're just gonna go for about 30 minutes. Just get the job done, you know. We're gonna just make it nice and simple. Make it nice and simple for you. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. That helps so much to get this stream out. Okay. So let's go into the analysis of Bone and Shiba Swap. Let's go into Shiba. Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu on the daily, if you look at the daily chart, the descending wedge breakout hasn't played out fully. So the target for that would be 4 zeros, 30, 33. And so that's what we're looking at to break. Once we break that, then this is how we're going to see some major movements in Bone going into over $1 coming out of this range. And especially because we have a really nice bullish divergence here. And so we can see some potential movements to the upside here for Bone. All right, so show you guys we are in. So this morning, this afternoon, we got into the NOT trade, and we were talking about that. So we still have that open. And so we also have the Pepe trade open, we have BTC, and we have the Bone trade open. So and then let's look also at, since Bone was on that list, we were looking at Bone and comparing it to other Solana coins right now that have volume. So in the top 10, we got Maniki, Book of Meme, Michi, Jupiter, Moto Dog, and then GameStop is coming back up. But actually, no, it's actually GameStop, GME is going down. And then we were comparing this against Ponky, because we sold GME to go into Ponky. And then Ponky retraced a little bit, but then we have... let's see here. Ponky was moving up. Had a nice megaphone going, yeah! So we had a test up here, so we'll get another test up to 26 cents for Ponky. Did anyone give Ponky a try? All right, so what we were watching recently on base, Brett and Boomer. That's the only things that we're really paying attention to be honest, on base is Brett and Boomer. So you look at Brett. Here's the Brett chart. Brett chart looks bullish. I think so. I think we're going to go into an altcoin season a lot earlier than some people think. We're going to go into an altcoin season for the summer. So it should say altcoin summer. We should change that to altcoin summer. Like, we should do that. We should do that right now and just change that to altcoin summer, because that is essentially what we're in, is a major spring. Like, it's like a springboard. Like, we're basically in a springboard to altcoin summer. So let's change that. Let's change that. Let's do that right now. Boom. All right, we're fast. And the bull run will last until summer 2025. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I feel like I was talking to a friend of mine today, and I think that Bitcoin will go to... Well, now we're going to go into the Bitcoin analysis here. We're going to look at both Bitcoins. We're going to look at ticker Bitcoin, and we're going to look at BTC. So I think that... Stop it. You stop it right now, Goku. All right, so... Well, then she wasn't for you. Then she didn't. She wasn't for you. You need someone who understands crypto. All right, so let's see on the 45-minute here. On Bitcoin, it looks nice. It looks nice. It's looking nice. Got some selling exhaustion right here to get some good buy pressure. Point of control on the 45-minute is at 65,000. Go. Check. 1, 2. All right. I feel like my mic, I'm just checking my levels and it seems like it's clipping. Check 1, 2. How does it sound, everyone? But yeah, I believe that we are going to be going to... We're going to be going to 150K before Christmas. We're going to be going to 150K before Christmas. We're going to be up here by the end of the year. It's going to be like parabolic. Like, just unheard of territory. Just, like, insane. Like, this kind of stuff. Like, craziness. You heard it here first, guys. 150K before Christmas. You heard it here. It's gonna be right there, baby. That's Santa Claus. We should put a Santa right on this chart. We should put a Santa on the chart. Do they have Santa? Is there... Let me see. Are there Santa emojis in TradingView? Are there any Christmas emojis? Or any, like, holiday ones? Let's see. Oh, I see some animals. Okay, there's got to be like a Santa hat or something. There we go. Found it. All right, this is Santa Claus. This is what's happening, guys. We're gonna be here before Christmas. And check this out. Look right there. That's exactly where we're gonna be. Let's go. Let's put a horizontal or a vertical line right here. We'll mark it for the 24th. And that's my prediction, guys. That's my prediction. I know you guys love crazy predictions. How can we get there? Supply shock. Apparently there's going to be a massive supply shock on these exchanges, and it's according to some metrics that were actually done by Bybit, Binance, all the major exchanges. They are slowly losing Bitcoin off of exchanges. Like, there is not going to be enough Bitcoin to go around on these exchanges. So what do you think that's going to do to the overall supply? And then you have BlackRock and all these ETF buyers. They're buying up the Bitcoin. The moment we get a dip, it just gets bought up super quick. I've been digging this blackberry lemonade. Waterloo. Guys, let me know if I'm crazy for thinking that Bitcoin can go to 150K before Christmas. Am I crazy? If you think I'm crazy, put a 1 in the chat. If you think I am just right on the money, put a 2. If you think predictions are just whack, put a 3. The 45-minute on Bitcoin looks really good right now. We might actually get a push back up to 67K. Make the alts do some decent work here. Oh, what is going on here with the not retracement here? What is this? Dream Tanks TV said BTC is going to 500K before Christmas. Wow, that's super bullish. Yeah. Yeah, we want to remind you guys the strategy. If we can, if we can stick to the strategy, sometimes FOMO sets in and then it just invalidates the entire strategy. So you do BTC, goes into ETH, goes to the layer 1s, the layer 2s, the meme coins, the protocols, all those different things, the exchanges, the exchange coins that are linked on these, ERC20s. And then when you take the profits into the memes and the dexes and all this stuff, by using the dex, it usually goes back into the layer 2s and the layer 1s. And so then you're going to stable coins, and then it just goes right back into BTC, and the pattern just keeps repeating and repeating. And so this is how altcoin summer happens. So what we're going to see is, like, if I could put this on a calendar right now, we basically had January was the pump, and then we had February was ETH, and then January, February, March was the layer 2s and the meme coins. March, and now April. April is meme season right now. In May. And now we could say June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And that's super terrible. I know, terrible drawings, but look, it's not in a perfect circle, but basically going around in that circle. But you get the point. You get the point. All right, let's check what altcoins are down the most and stocks on the daily. MicroStrategy, NotCoin, Robinhood. We got BRN, Metis. Metis still in accumulation range. We don't even talk about that one because it's annoying. Or that one. Let's check H-bar. H-bar sitting in a nice range. XYO is in the descending wedge. Potential breakout to the level of 1 cent. 1 cent for XYO. Me token breakout point will be 3 cents for Me token. Boo would be, the breakout point would be up at $3.62. Matic is in the range. Nice support at 85 cents. Shiba Inu breakout point would be at 29.70 off the descending wedge bull flag. For you Myro fans out there, this chart actually looks pretty bullish because we got massive support at this candle here from 18 cents to possibly push this up to 20% move to the upside and possibly even 75 and up even higher, getting up to test these levels for Myro on Solana. S&P 500 testing all-time highs again. Ticker Bitcoin fell down back to previous resistance. And now we could be hitting support to go trade back into the trend. We should be testing up into the trend here very soon, I think, with Ticker Bitcoin. We got Phantom going back into the second range. We got NAKA in a descending wedge. Breakout for this would be $2.55 off of $1.42 where it is right now. You bought Pepe on Phantom. I don't know about that. All right, now ETH. This is the pattern that we were thinking would play out on ETH. And it looks like this is what's going to happen. We're going to get a nice push up to 3,400. DXY, I think is going to push down. I think we're going to push down right to 98 here pretty soon in the next couple weeks. Just keep printing that money. Just keep printing that money. And then we got AVAX. AVAX got pushed down really hard, so I think AVAX is in a good accumulation mode. We got higher lows, which is good from here, from the beginning of the year to where we're at now. Dogecoin. We're sitting at the bottom of support, so that's good. We're sitting at good support at below 14 cents and 15 cents to bring us up to the levels of what were the previous resistance levels, which was 20 cents, 23 cents for Dogecoin. Caspa is in what looks to be a wave and could push up back into the trend line and crush the trend and go into 17, 18 cents for Caspa. And then we have Bone. Bone, we gave the analysis on why we think Bone is going to go. I mean, Bone was really strong in getting up in over $1, and then even in testing it again, and then really crushing it when Shiba Inu, when we pull up Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu in March was pushing up towards to try and break its all-time high. So it's going to get that push again. Chainlink has really bullish, had bullish news with the banks, the incorporation with the banks, getting on-chain funds, using Chainlink with JP Morgan, Chase. So that's ultimately bullish for Chainlink. Chainlink could be actually pushing up to push $20 again or $23 in the short term here. And then we got Pepe getting support right now off of its right below its all-time high, which is great because we had a nice push up here, descending wedge. Probably if we were looking at this on the 4-hour, then we would have probably what would be a descending wedge. And we'll see if we end up trading down here, because we could do this type of move where we go down here and then we test back up, and then we could push up to the level that's the original target. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with that. And that, we'll do Solana real quick. We'll do Solana. Solana broke out of the range of accumulation. We're going to be testing 175 here in the short term, which would be pretty easy to test. That is previous resistance. If we break previous resistance at 175, we will turn it into support and go to 203 for Solana. ENA, Athena, we could see some, at 67 cents, Athena was the thing that we were talking about with the USDE, the partnership with Bybit, having, you can do lending and collateralized loans with USDE to do trading on Bybit. So that is going to probably bring a lot of liquidity onto the Athena's chain. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, that's my quick blast for all the altcoins to get you prepared for altcoin season, which we think is around the corner. And we do believe that Bitcoin is, whether you think it's crazy or not, we really do think that we are going to be going to these ultimate levels right here, which is at $150,000 before Christmas time, before we get to the end of the year. So, all right, guys. So let's do some Q&A. Let's do some questions, answers, debates, discussions. Oh yeah, for sure. I love Phantom. I love Spooky Swap too. I like the Boo token. The Boo token has a really good mechanism where if you stake the Boo token, you get X Boo, and then you can use that X Boo to farm tokens that are in the liquidity pool, depending on what's available at the time. And then the X Boo that's in your wallet accrues the fees, and then you can then swap the X Boo 1-to-1 for Boo. If you guys didn't know that. All right, guys. So, any questions, debates, discussions, like button smashing? Like button destroying? Oh, man. Did I mess up my... Oh, I think I got my overlay back. Okay, cool. Sometimes when you're trying to be your own animator, producer, host of the show, you kind of just have to go with the flow. What are your thoughts on Politify? Politify. So, well, let me see. Is it a coin? Let's see. Politify. Did I spell that right? Politify. Is it even? No, it's not on CoinMarketCap. So is it a degen play? Politify? Oh, you meaning just Politify in general, just the coins that are based off of political themes like the Trump coin, the MAGA coins, the Joe Biden coins. Is that what you mean, Headband? Sorry. I thought you were like saying that Politify was like a token. Yeah, I did see that. It's funny. It's so funny. Right when I sold my H-bar to go into NOT for that trade, for the live trade, I see like bullish news with H-bar. I'm like, oh man, but it's still in the range. It's still in a great accumulation range. Like if we go to H-bar, yeah, Politify genre of token with the politics. Yeah, with their own section. Yeah. I think it's a good narrative. I mean, especially it's kind of like one of those, I would say maybe a no-brainer for what we're obviously in is an election year. So we have like this 6 months leading up to November 5th, or I mean more or less than 6 months leading up to November 5th. We are, there's going to be speculation on a lot of different Politify themed tokens. So yeah, I mean you could say that there's going to be some that will perform better than others, obviously. Depending on who wins. You don't sell H-bar, you hold it. I know. All right, guys. Any other questions from any other platforms? We got 12 people on X. We got 10 people on YouTube. We got people. We got Headband. We got just the one Headband. You guys got to help me build up the memes here. You guys got to help me with the memes. Build a storyline. I want you guys to build me a storyline in the memes right here. You could basically, if you start from here, I built a storyline. It all started with GameStop. And then the memes and the craziness went wild. And then all of a sudden, we had a cool off. And then Pepe came around. And then everyone got so wild. Everyone got so wild that they were just like salivating. And then on the hopes that maybe one day I could sell my Pepe for billions, but then you're like, no. What I'm saying is that when you're ready, you don't even have to. And then chaos starts to hit the market. You don't know what is even going on. We're like, who is Satoshi Nakamoto? What is happening to Satoshi Nakamoto, the one that's just dumping on everyone right now, making all of the meme coins and being the one that is destroying the whole entire market? Who knows? Who's the masked person? Oh my God. And then they're like, shut up, you're so drunk. What are you even saying? Then BlackRock comes in, buys all the Bitcoin. Pepe still sticks around. Survives all the craziness. Comes back up as is now number 24 market cap. I think it's inevitable. Pepe is going to be listed on Coinbase. I think it is inevitable. It is inevitable. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you think? I think so. Let's look at the markets it's on right now. Pepe to the billions. It's on a lot of exchanges. It's got so much volume on all these exchanges too. It's crazy. Why would Coinbase not want a piece of that? It's really strange, but I know they do. They do. It's gonna happen. We will not get distracted anymore. Look at this. Athena, Pepe. I love all the things that are trending in this list. We got Floki, Pepe. We got Bonk. We got Kava. We have Shiba Inu. We got Mana in here. Toncoin. Render. Dogecoin. We got AKT. Optimism. Nice. Yeah, Pepe doesn't want that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if Pepe, we'll see if Coinbase can even hold, yeah, dog with hat. Wow. All right, guys. Anything else? Anything else on your minds? MVP. 23 mil market cap. Nice. Chart looks good. It's on LBANK. If you guys want to trade this, you can use the link in the description. If you want to trade this, use my link in the description if you want to trade this thing. Two-bet, LBank, Bitmart, yeah. Nice. Not too bad. Yeah, I'll save this for sure. Let me see. So MVP. Let me see. MVP. This thing was ripping. It's up 400%, up 400%, right? On the daily here, it's up 18%. We got 34% here. Wow. Yeah, let me add this to where's my save? All right. This is actually I like this about LBank for the degen stuff is you can go here and hover over this. It gives you the official website, the blockchain browser scan, and the white paper and a brief description. It's a very nice gesture. It's a nice gesture. I mean, it's possible. It's definitely possible. Gesture. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. It's a nice gesture. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the live stream tonight. It's just a short one. Just a nice short one. I hope to see you tomorrow, 11:30. Jason Beats, yes, and no. You can if you want to, and you don't have to if you don't want to. And it's basically it's the one that I use as my secondary for like D-Genny red light district plays that are usually on that one first. And then when I'm wanting to just trade my good, awesome like blue chips and also just have a really nice platform to use, I do BITFLEX and yeah. So basically all the links that you see in the description are the ones that I like to use. All right, cool. All right, well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and we will have a awesome show planned for you tomorrow, and we hope to see everyone back. And make sure you guys smash up the like before you leave the stream, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.